Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tomea. Thank you for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you stay until the end of the video, and I hope you subscribe, turn on your notification bell to see more videos from me. I'd really appreciate that. So I'm sure you guys have seen the denim skirt trend lately on Instagram or Pinterest or wherever, but I'm sure you've seen it. So this skirt is trending right now, and it's surely a piece that you want in your wardrobe. So I decided to change one of my denim pants into this. First, you need a seam ripper because you want to rip out the seam that runs in the middle of the pants. Okay, so the one that divides your legs, you're going to be taking it out. Do not rip the sides. You do not need to touch anything on the sides, just the middle part. So this tutorial is so fun and quick, like it's so fast. You can make this literally within 30 minutes. Actually, like it doesn't take too long at all. Once you're at the back, you want to stop a little bit. You want to stop a few inches before the waistline, because if you rip out the waistline, it's just gonna give you more work to do. If your waistline is already your exact size, then you don't need to rip it out. So I stopped just below the belt hook that's on the middle of the back. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Release the lower part of that loop as well. I didn't take it out, like I didn't take everything out, but I just took out the seam that's holding it to the lower part of the pants. Once we've opened up the seams, what we're going to do next is to trim off the excess. So we're going to start with the back. So trim off the excess fabric, the V shape, the one that folds in the midline for the pants. You don't need it for the skirt. So we're just going to trim off the excess, and then we'll have a nice, clean, straight line. change. You make me wanna do better. I Next, we're just going to join that straight line together, the one that's going to be the back of our skirt, the midline back of our skirt. We're going to join it together.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to trick. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you
Okay, so you guys can see how quick this is, because basically the skirt is almost done. Like, even if you don't sew that much, you can actually take this on as a project, and you don't really need to be like well versed in sewing. I feel like anyone can do this actually. Next, we'll focus on the front. So that V shape, the one that we trimmed over, that we trimmed off on the back side, we don't need to trim it off on the front side. So we're just going to make sure to like fold it over. When you fold it over, make sure that the upper part is extending just a little bit, because that's the parts that I sewed with the major body of the skirt. Because if you do not have a heavy duty machine, then you don't want to fold too much, because you're just going to break your needle. So what I did was to fold the upper part a little bit, extend the upper part of this V shape a little bit over the lower part, so I can just sew that one. So you just sew this down and like create your slits according to your own preference. Decide to sew it a little lower if you do not want a higher slit.
never could it bite, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
You've sewn the parts that you want closed, then you just continue with the rest of the slit and just like hem it, because we open that up as well. Okay, I really love this skirt. I've tried to style it different ways, and I'm going to be posting Instagram reels and shorts on YouTube as well. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please do, so you can check out different ways that I'll be styling this skirt. And if you subscribe to my channel, you'll be able to see when I post my YouTube shorts, and then you can see the styling part as well on there. And that's it, guys. This is the final look. Definitely check out my shorts and my Instagram reels to see the way that I've styled this piece. I actually literally cannot get enough of this. I really love it. I'm going to be wearing it a lot. So thank you guys for watching. If you stayed on to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. Please subscribe and come back for more videos from me. I would really appreciate that. Turn on your notification bell to know when next I upload. Take care, guys. I hope you have a good day, and God bless. See you in my next one. Bye.